Hello, I'm Stephen Mangan. Little Angel Theatre is an amazing magical puppet theatre hidden away in the heart of Islington. I've been bringing my children here since they were old enough to come, and we absolutely love coming here. I'm supporting this campaign so that more families will be able to enjoy the amazing puppetry they do here for many years to come.
Hello, I'm Ronnie Ledrew and I'm a puppeteer of very many years. I started here at Little Angel Theatre in 1963, can you believe? I've worked in many other places, but I've always come back to Little Angel because it's the permanent building for English puppet theatre, and it's so exciting. And then as the years went on, of course, we used every other type of puppet. That is a glove puppet, rod puppets, shadow puppets, mixtures of all kinds. And of course, now today we've got amazing puppetry going on here because we have educational projects, we have all sorts of adult shows, festivals. So it's a really exciting time, and puppetry is thriving, which is really lovely, and certainly thriving at the Little Angel Theatre.
I'm Adam Bennett, Artistic Director of Little Angel Theatre. We need your help to preserve this unique building. Over 30,000 people each year come to the theatre to enjoy the characters and the stories that we create. Our building is in need of some urgent improvements. We have a leaking roof and some damaged brickwork and flooring. A new hearing induction loop and improving the facilities will make the building more accessible for all. Replacing our aging boiler and improving the insulation will help to reduce our carbon footprint.
We need to raise £60,000 by the end of June. Anything you can donate will be so appreciated. Please do everything you can to support this campaign.